This is Vishana, and at 2 years old, her head literally exploded. You see, ever since she was born, she has been fighting a condition that affects her brain, making her head grow bigger and bigger every day. But because of the size of her head, her own mother can barely carry her, so she spends every day lying on her bed like this. But together, we can help her. You see, just last week, I met Kiana, a 1-year-old with the exact same medical condition. And together with the WhatsApp Foundation, we were able to raise over $4,000 to help her get the surgery she needs. So watch until the end, because I'll show you how we can help Vishana together. So for the past few months, I've been on a mission to help as many children in need. And my videos got millions of views on social media and raised thousands of dollars. And personally, I'm shocked because when I started, I was scared that nobody would donate. So now, there is no stopping me. That's why today I met this little girl, a true fighter.
Ako po si Joanna Marie Saide at ito po ang aking anak na si Vishana May Arcega. Siya po ay coming March po 31, siya po ay 3 taon na.
Behind her silent struggle is a condition that made her life extremely hard for her and her mother.
At diagnosed po siya ng congenital hydrocephalus po. So inborn po yung kanyang sakit. Pero hanggang ngayon po ay ito pa rin naman po siya, kasama namin siya.
Vishana was born with congenital hydrocephalus, a condition where fluid builds up inside the brain, causing her head to grow bigger and heavier over time. The pressure damages the brain, it causes infections, and can be fatal if left untreated.
Ito naman po kasing pagdating niya sa amin, di po talaga namin ito naiplano. Sa sobrang hirap ng buhay, yung asawa ko po nasa Manila nagtatrabaho, pero hindi naman po ganun kaano yung kanyang sinasahod. Sakto lang po sa pangangailangan namin pang araw-araw. Hindi po siya nakatikim ng check-up ng ilang buwan. Siguro po nakapagpa-check up ako ng buntis ako sa kanya mag 8 months po or 7 months. Kahit anong vitamins wala po akong nainom sa kanya or gatas. Kaya sabi po ng doktor sa amin, maari daw po na yun yung naging cause ng kanyang pagkakaroon ng diagnosis na hydrocephalus. Kasi hindi siya naalagaan. Tapos nagkasakit din po ako sa kanya. Habang 2 months ko siya pinagpubuntis, nagkasakit ako ng 1 month na pabalik-balik na puro lagnat.
She gave birth with only her husband by her side, and they had to borrow money just to have Vishana checked by doctors in a nearby city. Right now, Vishana is continuously taking medication for a severe brain infection. Because in December of 2025, this is when the family's nightmare really began. Vishana's head was getting bigger and bigger, to the point where her skull couldn't take the pressure anymore, and one night, while everyone in the house was sleeping, Vishana's head was attacked and bitten by an army of red ants. Because according to the doctors, the fluid inside her brain attracts ants, and this caused her sensitive